All right, welcome. You just landed on smarthelping.com. I'm going to go over what the site is and a little bit of background and how to navigate and everything you need to know about using the site successfully. So first of all, I graduated in accounting back in 2011, and I worked for a couple small companies, ended up going to be a freelancer after that, waited 4 or 5 years, ended up in Upwork. I basically did hundreds of jobs, try to survive, and in that process, I figured out what people are willing to pay for. And so I built templates based on that. So here on smarthelping.com, you can buy them. I've got hundreds, well, not hundreds, I've got over 100. And so let's just walk through. You can go financial models at the top, and this has all the different categories and then every template. You can also use the search function up here. Note, you can buy templates by category and by volume. So buy in bulk here, you can get 5 mid-level models for $112. That's a good discount. Any 5 templates labeled as mid-level, which the labels are all here after each template. 10 mid-level, all intermediate, all upper tier, all ultra, or all templates on the entire site. If you just want certain categories of templates, you can do that up here, and it lists what template is in each category if you scroll down. I've also listed categories at the top: SaaS, joint venture, accounting, and you can see the total value if you were to buy everything separate, and then the bulk price here, and just add to cart. Now, after you purchase something, it will be sent to your email of the PayPal or purchasing email. If you have any issues whatsoever, email me, jason@smarthelping.com, and I'll figure it out. I'll get you the template. Whatever you purchased, I will get it to you. So don't worry about being able to gain access. I've sold over probably 1,500 templates and no issues delivering the templates. Now I also do a live stream every Monday at 5 p.m. and that's actually a great place if you have questions about a template, want customizations on the template, or just want to know more about something, or just you're having problems using it for whatever reason. Maybe the data entry, you're entering something wrong, you just want clarity. Come to the live stream and we can figure it out there every Monday at 5 p.m. I'll see you on the next one.